So today we are trying something a little different. I had a couple of requests to show you guys how I accomplished this nail design, and I am more than happy to show you guys. So today's video is only focused on the design. I'm not going through filing and all that stuff. I am hoping to upload this video on YouTube and Instagram. Like, I don't even know what the correct thing is, but I'm hoping to do that. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so as I said, focusing on the design, I have a swatch here. I just shaped it into a coffin shape, and I just roughed it up a little bit with the file so the acrylic doesn't slide on here. So for the pink acrylic that's on my nails is actually this little one here. This was actually part of a 12 pack, I believe it was, from Nail Supply Glamour. I hope I'm saying that right. They have Instagram and all that stuff. I'll try to see if I can leave things in the description. As far as Instagram, I'm not sure how that works, but on YouTube, I know that I can. So I use this one, I believe. I accidentally mixed mine up, so there's that. And then I just have some clear acrylic and my monomer. So basically all I did was come in, grab a bead, and if you are new around here or you've never followed me before, I am actually not a professional or anything. So this is kind of like, I'm just showing you what I did, or what I do, how I do my nails. Yeah, I just wanted to put that out there since I'm trying to put this video on Instagram. So I basically just went in. I went in fairly lightly. I kind of wanted more of, I don't know, not a dark or super pinky look. And I was okay if there was little spots like that that were clear. I think it just gave it a little bit of a different look and not so pink, if that makes sense. So I just applied my acrylic, and you can really do this with any soft pink. Obviously you guys could change up any of this, I'm just saying. So I just went down, and then also a quick mention, I didn't mix my acrylic. Normally I do, but I did remember that this one is almost mixed with like maybe white and clear, and so I kind of wanted that kind of like, I don't know, marbly-ish effect. Like, I just didn't want it to be perfect pink. So now I have that on, and it's just a nice thin layer because I did cap mine with clear. I tend to do that with pretty much almost any nail look, and I'm just trying to keep this thin because I don't plan on filing it or anything. But I basically just went in with my clear and just kind of like capped it all. This design would be so pretty with even like, I don't know, like a lavender. I wanted that like classic pink and red without it being like too much or overdoing it. And this design, I actually just got inspired by me and my husband. We doodle a lot when there's paper in front of us, and we love, so a lot of our doodles are like hearts and stuff, and I just found the perfect stickers on Amazon for this. So now I have my acrylic on. I'm looking decent. As I said, I'm probably not filing this or anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this set, and then I will show you the decorating part, but that's basically it for the base. Okay, so now that we have our nail all set, obviously if you were doing it on yourself, you would have filed and all that stuff, but we're gonna move on to the decorating. aspect of this. So these are the stickers that I found on Amazon. Again, I was totally inspired by my husband and mine's doodling that we always do. We're very much lovey-dovey type of people. So I basically just picked random ones, set them the way that I liked, and then popped on rhinestones. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of that process here. Let's go with probably just a little bit of everything, just how I was doing it on my nails. I will say some of these did rip, so that was kind of a little annoying, but yeah. So obviously there's no rhyme or reason to this part. You just peel off the one that you want carefully, and then attach it. I really need to get some pointy tweezers, and so I like to like really press it in and make sure that it's all completely pressed. Or what if we do a little XO? This is exactly how it went for me, you guys, when I was doing my nails. Like, you would think attaching some stickers is just like the fastest thing of life, and sometimes it's a mission just to get a little sticker to stick. And the good thing about these being clear is that you can kind of test out what you want to do here. I think we will go with a little kiss. So now that we have our little stickers on here, then I just go in with my gel top coat. To be honest, on my nails, I put my rhinestones first and then I top it with top coat. And that's really because sometimes I will cover my rhinestones and then just clean off the top. I hate when the rhinestones pull on my hair. And then basically just make sure you seal these really well. And that's it. So I'm basically just gonna pop it in so it can cure the gel, and then we will move on. Okay, so now that gel is cured and now we're looking like this. So now I just used this Mia Secret crystal gel adhesive stuff. I always use little dotting tools, and then I have my wax pen to help me out with the rhinestones. So I want to show you which ones I'm using first. So I used these like pinky ones, like a soft pink. I use a darker pink, and then I use the reds, and these ones are in the same size, I believe it's a size 9 if I remember correctly. And then these are mixed. I used the smaller red ones. So I just went ahead and I put some out here so I could just grab it a little easier. And then I have my little gel pot on the side. And then I basically just take some of the gel on the dotting tool, and I kind of just, again, I try not to overthink this. I just kind of went for it. Some of my nails have 3 rhinestones, some of them have 4. I just kind of went with whatever I was feeling in that moment, and I did try to mix up the placement of each size. So I just kind of grabbed one and then we're gonna do the dark hot pink up at the top. So we're looking like that, and then again, just to bring a little bit of different, I just put like a little smaller one like that. So that is what I'm looking like. Obviously you can apply more rhinestones. As I said, some of mine have 3, some of them have 4, but that is basically it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cure that. So once the nail is completely cured, that is it. That is the final design. I went ahead and I also did the design on a stiletto nail for you guys, but it's really a simple design. It took me forever because I'm so indecisive of where to put the stickers, so I was really trying my best to just go with it, but yeah, the sticker part honestly took me the longest, but I hope that you guys found this pretty easy. I hope that I explained it well enough. I was trying to keep it nice and short. It's a super simple design. At the end of the day, you can use any acrylic color for the base. If I can find the exact set of 12, I will go ahead and link them in the description. If you're watching through Instagram, I will try to put it somewhere in the description. Again, I'm not sure exactly how to do that. You can always DM me and I can try to send it to you if I find the exact set. As I said, it was a 12-piece set, but you can get a little soft pink, mix it with a little clear, maybe like a dab of white, and you should be able to get the exact same little tone if you wanted that. As for the rhinestones, the 2 toned pink ones I actually got at my local nail supply store, so I don't know exactly where you'd be able to find them, but a bunch of nail supply stores now have different colored rhinestones. The red ones I did get from Get Nailed 32 from Natalie Carmona. She's here on Instagram. She has a little nail shop and I believe it's opening up February 1st. I'm not exactly sure. You can go over to her Instagram and check that out. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it from me. Thank you so much for being here today and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!